Hello, welcome back. So in the last video we created a custom table view cell with the image and a label. So in this video we are going to continue working on that but add a little bit more of coding so that this looks a little better. So point number one, we see the cell is more elongated. We are going to fix that. And point number two, we had hard coded the image and also the label text. And here we are going to remove that and dynamically populate the table view cells. We'll also add another table view cell with a different image and a different text. So let's go. So I first go to main.storyboard and I see I've not given any constraints for the row height, but still the row is elongated. This happens because the row is taking the intrinsic size based on the elements it has in it. So what I can do is I can go to view.controller, viewController.swift, and I'll add a method called height for row at index path. So here I specify it to be 100 pixels. So when I do this, when I specify a proper value, so the row gets its height from this value. So here we go, that's fixed. And then now we move on to point number two of dynamically populating the rows. So what I'll do, I'll make two rows. So I change one to two, and you can see I've also added another image. And then I create a custom class. Say class custom cell, which is of UI table view cell, and I take this class and I move to main.storyboard. And now I need to tell that this cell is of type of this class. So I give it here like this. And I also remove this hard coded value. So I remove this image from here. And I also remove this text from here. Done. And now I'm going to open it this way so that I can add references of this because it is from the code that I need to populate this image view and also the label view. So I create reference and also I create another reference for my label and call it as text label and connect. Done. And now we move into the coding part. So I come to view controller. So when I create my cell, I know what kind of cell it is. So I do as my custom cell. I say it is of type custom cell. And now what I can do is I can do something like this. Image view equal to image view dot image equal to UI image named, and I need to give the name of the image. And I can also set the text like text label dot text is equal to, okay, I'll set something like this: home 1 2 3 and so on based on the row in which it is displayed. So I set like this: home plus, and I do this and I give index path dot row plus 1, meaning so the index path dot row starts with 0 and when I give 1 it gets like displayed properly. Now let's run this and see what happens. So I should get two images now. Okay, so this is proper. I get home 1, home 2, but you still see the same images repeated. That is because I've given only one single image for every index path. So what I can do is I can go and add conditions however I need. So what I'll do is if index path dot row is equal to 0, then take image 1, else take image 2, and I'll also add that missing space. Bingo, we are like almost done and we can see everything appears perfect now with two different images on two different rows. And that is all about this video. If you like, do press the like button and also subscribe for more videos. Thank you.